Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna, the tax goddess. As you guys know, I love bringing you tax strategies, but today we're really going to have to figure something out because the IRS has released a new publication, a new revenue ruling, basically saying that the PPP loans, even if they get forgiven in 2021, are taxable in 2020. So guys, you know me, I'm Shauna, the tax goddess. Absolutely love bringing you guys knowledge. Always here to help 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs reduce their taxes, grow massive wealth accounts, retirement accounts, increase their cash flow, and of course, save millions of dollars on major tax deals. Now, back in October, the SBA released an awesome statement, absolutely awesome statement. The statement said that you as borrowers, if you borrowed the PPP loan, okay, if you took out a Paycheck Protection Program loan, PPP loan, to pay for wages, rents, utilities, and or mortgage interest to help keep your business afloat, that you had up to 10 months after, 10 months after you use your money to apply for forgiveness. Now, 10 months for a lot of people would actually put them into 2021. And under the normal rules of IRS forgiveness, of tax-related forgiveness, if you get the forgiveness in 2021, that means that the money is not taxable until 2021. Normally, debt forgiveness in the year in which you get forgiven is the taxation. So even though you had the money in 2020, under normal forgiveness rules, that money would not be taxable until 2021. Now, the IRS just released a new revenue ruling 2020-27, so 2020-27. This revenue ruling basically says, no, that's not the way this is going to work. We're going to tie income and expenses to the same year, which, don't get me started on this, but it's a different version, another version of the IRS rule that basically says that income and expense have to be tied to each other. So that's the way that the IRS is leaning with this. Now, this is a revenue ruling. So this comes directly from the IRS. And effectively what this means is if you got the money in 2020, even if you don't get forgiveness until 2021, that is going to be taxable in 2020. Now, here we are, it's November 30th. 2020 is effectively over. We have 1 month left. There's a lot of businesses that are still struggling to survive. There's a lot of hope out there for, freedoms from regulations, freedoms to reopen businesses. Potentially, people are hoping for some extra stimulus, some additional funding. Coronavirus isn't over. So I actually think that this might be a spot where we're going to come into some lawsuits, some arguments, okay? Because which is related to when you get the debt forgiveness is when you pay tax on the money, okay? Which would mean if you got 10 months, that would put you into 2021. But of course, you can be on the other side of that, which is where the IRS has landed, saying, nope, when you got the money, even if you don't get forgiveness until 2021, it is taxable in 2020. Now, this is really, for me, this is going to be a shocker to a lot of business owners. Here on the Tax Goddess Live channel, we have been talking multiple times about if you got the PPP loan, prepared for that to be taxable, okay? A lot of people, of course, wish it wasn't taxable, but under the way that those laws were written, it is taxable income. So again, Revenue Rule 2020-27, so 2020-27. But long story short, be prepared to pay a rather large tax bill based on your 2020 year, even if originally you thought you had a loss. By adding back your PPP funds, you may now have a profit. So wanted to make sure that you guys knew that in advance and, of course, could try your best to create additional losses. That's never a good thing. Maybe? I don't know. This year, 2020, is a very, very, very strange year. And of course, it is something that I would highly recommend that you speak with your tax strategist about, as things are literally changing every day. This just came out this past Friday, this new revenue ruling. So Hey guys, Shauna the Tax Goddess here. Thanks so much for being a part of our Tax Goddess family. Number one, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already, and make sure you click that little notification bell to learn more. Of course, you guys know we love putting out content specifically for business owners. Number two, if you're not sure where to start, but you just want to come and learn from my team and I, check us out on our Facebook group, Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs Thousands, in Facebook. Number three, if you need help right now because you have a burning issue, feel free to reach out to us, taxgoddess.com. You can book an appointment there directly with me. So happy to try to answer any questions that you may have. And of course, number four, if you just want to say hi, I know Thanksgiving is over. We're on our way to the holidays. So happy holidays, everyone. And hopefully we'll get some good news about this rather than not some good news about the PPP loans. So thanks, everybody. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you later. All right, thanks. Bye.